guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Nisi Love. Welcome. So today I'm gonna be showing you how I'm gonna sew on my sleeves to my shirt that I'm making. I was gonna make it into a dress, but this fabric is old. I think I bought this in like June, and I kind of cutted the stuff out and I like threw it to the side, and I never came back to the project. So today I decided that I'm gonna spruce it up. Also, this fabric is nothing special. I got it from the fashion district in New York City near Mood, so it's like other fabric stores over there. So I just got this. So yeah, everything is gonna be sewn. I'm gonna videotape me sewing on my sewing machine. So yeah, also I'm not even a perfect sewer yet. I'm still learning. I'm still teaching myself because nobody's teaching me. So everything I do is kind of just me and on my brain. So I'm gonna show y'all how I sew, and hopefully y'all be good. So let's. Okay guys, I'm back. Sorry my camera died. So this is my sewing machine. It's a Brother CS6000i computerized sewing machine. I am able to do 59 stitches. Also, I've had this for about 6 years now. I would say 6 or maybe longer, but I feel like it's 6. So I'm going to show y'all how to do the sleeve. This is what it starts out looking like, and then the finished product will be a fully, good sleeve. So, okay. First, you're going to turn your garment inside out. Because mine is already good. So, because my material is shiny, the non-shiny side should be facing up. Okay? So, I'm going to turn it inside out just to start and show you guys. Okay, so the garment's inside out. When you do your sleeve, you're going to put your sleeve inside your garment, but it's going to be the normal way. See how it's shiny? And then the normal side is not shiny. So it's shiny and then not shiny. So the two shiny parts, or the right-sided fabric, should be touching together, and then you put it in, and then you pin everything around, and you start to sew. So everything should look nice and neat. So when you turn it the other way, it should be a nice clean edge when you sew. So let's get to sewing. On my foot, let me see if I can zoom in for you guys so you guys can see. Okay, so I already started sewing, but I put my foot level in. I adjusted my stitch, so now I'm already sewing. I'm just taking my time and going around. Also pulling the fabric because it helps me, and my fabric is stretchy. So I'm just going around sewing, removing bobby pin, removing push pin, and I'm just going around nicely. The pins are actually really good when you're doing sleeves because it keeps everything like in order. So I'm almost done. This is actually really one of the parts where you should really actually take your time, because this is a sleeve and you don't want your sleeve to come off your shirt while you're outside. So take your time. There's no rush. Alright. So I'm at the end where my two threads meets up. So now I have to close my thread so it doesn't, pop off or whatever. So on my thing, I press this button, and it's a back stitch. So my needle, instead of going forward, it will go backwards to kind of like reverse the stitch. So then I go forward again and back, and it basically makes a knot so my garment thread won't come out. So yeah, I cut off my thread. We have a little piece right here that could cut your thread, and I'm gonna show you. This is the side we just did, and voila, your sleeve is Perfecto. Follow my Instagram at Niecy Love and any of the methods that I show you, or if you watch this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll be back to help you with more fashion tips. See you guys later.